In 2023, students faced the challenge of preparing for their exams amidst numerous distractions. To succeed in 2024, they needed a robust strategy. Weekly revision needs to be their cornerstone, ensuring consistent progress and retention of knowledge. Attending all sessions on time was crucial. It maximized learning opportunities and allowed students to engage fully with the material and their peers. Missing classes meant missing out on vital information and discussions. Finding quality revision materials online is a game changer. Platforms like YouTube offered short, focused videos that broke down complex topics. Podcasts, particularly the Copper Connection podcast, provided insightful discussions and tips, making revision accessible anytime, anywhere. By committing to regular revision, punctual attendance, and utilizing diverse online resources, students set themselves up for success. This disciplined approach not only prepared them for their exams, but also instilled habits that would benefit them throughout their educational journey and beyond.